I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to check your transaction history on the Ally app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Ally app. Launch the Ally mobile app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with your credentials to access your account information. Step 2. Navigate to Accounts. Once you're logged in, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a list of your accounts. Step 3. Select an account. Choose the specific account for which you want to view the transaction history. This could be your checking, savings, or investment account. Step 4. Access transaction history. After selecting the account, scroll down to find the transaction history section. Tap on it to view all your recent transactions. Step 5. Filter transactions. If you want to narrow down your search, use the filter options available. You can filter by date type or amount to find specific transactions. Sometimes, the filter settings can be a bit tricky. For instance, if you set the date range too narrow, you might miss all the transactions. I hope this helps you easily find your transaction history. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.